Good morning. On January the 3rd, the warm embrace of Advent continues to inspire. Today's category is Eureka Effect. Fascinating science-backed facts that bring real-time benefits. Our third message is: belief in healing can physically change blood chemistry. The Placebo Effect. When we truly believe, our brain signals the body to release endorphins and dopamine, our natural medicine and joy hormones. It's amazing how our journey unfolds. After silence and gratitude, we now see that positive thoughts about our goals aren't just dreams, but genuine biological stimulant. How does it work? Expecting improvement the brain triggers real physical changes in the body. The brain releases endorphins, natural painkillers, and dopamine, the pleasure hormone, which reduce pain and boost mood. Our trust in a doctor or a method and a daily ritual strengthens this effect. Remember, it works both ways. Negative expectations, the Nocebo effect, can drain your energy. So today, choose belief. Your thoughts are creating your internal cure. So let's dream and believe. Have an energetic day. The inspiration of Advent's embrace is already with you.